Welcome to Drawing the Sounds with Mr. Sheehan. This is Esther the elephant. To draw her, you will need a pencil, an eraser, a pencil sharpener, and a black marker to outline, and maybe some colors. But I will use a black marker so you can see what I'm doing. Esther's face starts with a circle. A big circle in the middle of the page. Like that. Esther has two big eyes. One big circle and one more big circle. Esther is an elephant, so she has a long nose. You can use a long curving line to show her nose. If I am drawing too quickly, you can pause the lesson and catch up. Esther has two eyebrows over her eyes. One eyebrow and two eyebrows. Esther has some hair on top of her head. 3 pieces of hair. 1, 2, and 3. Esther has big ears because she is an elephant. You can use a long curving line to draw her big ear. She has another big ear on the other side of her head. We can show the top of her ear by using another long line. Esther has some light showing in her eyes. She has one big light bubble and one small light bubble in each eye. Esther has some lines at the top of her nose. 1, 2 curving lines. Esther also has round circles on her cheeks. 1 circle and 2 circles. Esther also has eyelashes at the sides of her eyes. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now, Esther and elephant start with the same sound. They start with the eh sound. Do you know what letter makes the eh sound? Yes, that's right. It's the letter E. E, elephant, eh. We can even see an E in her nose. Let's make an E together. This is an uppercase E. E, elephant, eh. And this is a lowercase e. E, elephant, eh. And Esther and elephant both start with the letter E. So here is Esther in color. I colored her blue and pink inside her ears, and I gave her pink cheeks, and I colored her eyes orange and purple.